Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. This is Dr. Botanica coming at you on August 28th, 2019, with a very unique segment, one of many, called Real Talk, Real Supplements. Just a casual intro today. For those of you who may be familiar with my background, or if not, I've been in the industry for about 26 years. Been actually studying natural and alternative medicine since the age of 11. And for those of you who are familiar with my book that I published back in 2005, that's highly endorsed by Dick Gregory. It was an award-winning book, Medicine, the Causes and Solutions to Disease, Malnutrition, and the Medical Sins that are Killing the World. And I will be publishing the 2019 edition of Medicines in September, along with Stealing a Woman's Treasure, something dedicated to all the women of the world. But tonight we're going to talk a little bit about these supplements you see here. The first one being Celtic Salt. And contrary to what you've heard over the years about too much salt is not good for you, well, that's halfway right. Because if you're consuming table salt, well, you're consuming one element, which is sodium chloride, which could cause edema, could raise your blood pressure. However, this salt here from France contains over 80 trace elements. I've been using this salt since 1994. I was the practically first merchant to carry Celtic Salt at that time when I owned a health food store called Grassroots for several years. And Celtic Salt actually has the capability to modulate blood pressure. Another factor about salt, or real salt, is that it tones and supports the adrenal gland. And for those of you who are not familiar with the adrenals, that's the gland that produces cortisol, which is a stress hormone. So if you're getting up early in the morning, you're just stressed, financially stressed, a debate with your girlfriend, boyfriend, is taxing your adrenals. So when that happens, your body or your adrenals produce something called cortisol, which is a stress hormone, which can trigger a wide range of degenerative or chronic disorders. Could be psoriasis, could be eczema, various types of inflammation, pain. But Celtic Salt can actually, I wouldn't say necessarily remedy, but it will support the adrenal and kidney function because they both require real salt. And it also has the capability to actually lower blood pressure. Now, this is not just me saying this. This is well documented and also has been supported by several medical doctors. As a matter of fact, there's a couple books out there that are written by medical doctors on Celtic Salt, Himalayan salt, for real. And so you don't have to take a lot. Take maybe a half teaspoon. For those of you who have hypertension, I would suggest that you still consult your physician, because you want to keep a balance. And all doctors have their place. And if you have a primary care physician, certainly consult with them or your holistic practitioner before using it. But on the average, it's a phenomenal product, so I highly support it. Also, magnesium. Magnesium, believe it or not, practically 80% or more are magnesium deficient in this country, along with other vitamins and minerals. Magnesium is actually called the miracle mineral because it supports over 300 metabolic functions in the body. Also can reduce, has been shown and clinically shown and proven to reduce the risk of stroke and heart attack. This is what you see here is a 500 milligram capsule, which I take. And it's a combination like magnesium citrate, magnesium oxide, malate, glycinate. Really supports the body's metabolism, also supports the digestive function, also helps you sleep a little better. But again, most people are magnesium deficient. So I highly suggest, unless you have extreme kidney problems like dialysis, you really need to see a physician or a health practitioner because magnesium and things like vitamin C are not too wise to use on your own if you have kidney problems or on dialysis. And for those of you who are not familiar or don't know if you have kidney problems or not, you may want to get blood cell analysis or bioidentical hormone tests or just, again, see a holistic practitioner. But on the average, it's a phenomenal product, has a wide range of health benefits. Also, Dr. Willitt's Water. Now, Willit Water has been around for a long time. This is the clear. It also comes in the dark. And for those of you that are familiar with 60 Minutes, 60 Minutes gave it a big plug way back in the day because it showed that it had miraculous health benefits, even topical benefits such as third-degree burns, as you will see if you YouTube it on 60 Minutes. Also has the ability to enhance the growth of produce, organic produce. They've used it on sick cattle and how the cattle rejuvenated. And I've been using, again, Willit Water for over 20 years on and off. You use a small amount, maybe a teaspoon, in about 8-ounce glass of water, and it changes and supports the molecular structure of the water and actually can enhance the bioavailability of supplements. So if you're taking a food-based, a food state supplement, certainly taking it with water that's featuring the Dr. Willit Water can certainly enhance the bioavailability. So as you notice, I said food-based or food state, which means you don't want to take supplements that have binders and fillers, things that you find in a standard grocery store that's made from synthetics and rocks. As a matter of fact, most supplements that you see on the market today, over 90% are made from synthetics and rocks. So you want to check out someone like myself that has expertise and product knowledge in the industry and that can guide you in the right direction as far as appropriate supplementation. I'm Dr. Botanica with the first segment of Real Talk, Real Supplements. Hope to talk to you soon. Hope you find this informative. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel and also check me out at 1-888-453-5526, 1-888-453-5526 if you have any questions or would like consultation. I hope this has been very informative. Peace and be well.